We got a little bit of relief over the weekend, but this was optimistic. We are now seeing major moves back to the downside. I think this little takedown is just the beginning. And in today's future forecast video, we talked about how we plan to position for 10 times gains as we hit the bottom. As Bitcoin races towards $57,000, this is not a guess. Guys, 54% is such a critical retracement level in bear markets. What a 54% drop could mean for Bitcoin and altcoins, the exact levels where we're going to remove buy limits and deploy capital immediately, how global money rotation is shifting and why gold and silver are ready for a major breakout, and the 3 price targets we're watching for Bitcoin where we plan to buy if we hit them. Yes, this bounce the last few days looked nice, but we haven't removed any of our buy limits. We're going to talk about all of this and more in today's future forecast. Do not miss out. And if you're not a member yet, you can sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Today we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Guys, when we first came out with these indicators, we were talking about switching back and forth, maybe doing the old TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow and trades in favor some days, market cycle highs and lows and Pro Trade Managers the other days. There's no point, guys. The market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager so outperform our older indicators, it's not even funny. We can look back historically. We can see when we get purple with a green dot during a bull market, this is where we're seeing major moves up. But here we go again, purple, purple, green, green. We're in a bull market at this point, major moves up. As we look back to find the bear market, towards the end of 2022, this is where we saw the bottom. And each time we got a little tiny drop, a little bottom out, this is where we saw green entry opportunities, green dots from the Pro Trade Manager. And this is what we're going to be looking for our long-term positioning and entry opportunities in Bitcoin. With how reliably we are catching these signals, guys, we need to pay close attention. Recently, we talked about caution being a potential buy opportunity and a green dot posted pushing the price up. Easy money up to the $87,523 as we talked about yesterday. But we are nowhere near out of the woods, especially if we create a lower low on the weekly time frame, which very well could be coming sooner rather than later. If we drop below $78,000, guys, $57,000 is very likely in the cards, and that's why today we are setting alerts for the concern, fear, and for a green dot on the Pro Trade Manager. It will be a while before these readings play out. We may get concerned sooner rather than later, but fear and max fear may take a while. And it's crucial that you have these alerts set. So if you're on holiday, it's Christmas time or something like that, you're with your family, you get that alert, you know you can act quickly, and you can focus on what really matters in life. Let these indicators do the work for you behind the scenes so you can enjoy the profits they give you instead of staring at the screen. Let's take a look. We're going to click Create Alert, head to the Alerts tab, Create Alert, switch this to the market cycle highs and lows. We are looking for concern. Once per bar close, click Create. Next, we are looking at market cycle highs and lows again. This time, we're looking at fear. Once per bar close, click Create. You can also set one for max fear. Of course, you are going to see these two first. It doesn't go straight from caution to max fear. So having these two active is good. If you hit concern, you can set that max fear later. The last signal we are setting is the Pro Trade Manager. It defaults to the long entry, short take profit. Once per bar close, we're going to click Create. And this will let you know when we get a candle close with a green dot. These have been posting more often recently. It is designed to do this. Guys, oscillators, like your RSI, your stochastic, all of that, are pinned to a range. So even when the price is dropping, you will see it actually move back up, and this is deceptive. The Pro Trade Manager is a combination of 9 different indicators, and we have in its settings the TP DCA market breakout detection, which, as you can see here, number of ATR moves required to trigger continuation signals. We have it set to 2, and this is something that Travis is talking about in his videos as well. This allows you to continue getting signals as the price drops because, again, we want to see that. We don't want to see this indicator moving up and becoming bearish and becoming bullish when it's really not. So with that in mind, we want to see fear or concern with, I'm going to say it again, with a green dot at the same time, and this is likely to be a potential bottom before the next major moves up in Bitcoin. No matter what happens, guys, big moves are coming, and these indicators are going to help you track it. Now is the time to snag them because the Black Friday sale is on. If we head to this button, we click that, you are getting, as a member, $200 off each, the Pro Trade Manager, the market cycle highs and lows, and we didn't talk about this one today, but the volume bubbles indicator as well. However, if you've previously purchased the Pro Indicator Pack or the TC Top and Bottom Finder, still great indicators. I still recommend the AI ones over them if you don't have them yet. You are getting 60% off if you email in at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Guys, all you need to do is head down into the description of the video right here, sign up for the membership at this link, click that Black Friday button, and buy the indicators from there. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for this brand new Future Forecast episode. Don't miss out.